Hello guys and welcome back to the video. In this video, I will show you how to change your iCloud profile picture on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on your profile name at the top of the screen. Here you will see your current profile picture. You can choose from different profile options available. For example, right now I have a mouse, but I can change it to a giraffe if I want. You can customize your profile picture and even change the background if you like. I'm going to keep mine simple. Once you're done, tap on Done to save your new profile. And just like that, your profile picture will be updated. Sometimes it may take a few moments to refresh, so don't worry if it doesn't change instantly. In my case, it updated right away. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, see you soon.